my friends. So today's video, I'm just going to show us the simplest, easiest and basic way you can cut your watermelon. Okay, so the weather is getting warmer and the need for us to get hydrated is here. Okay, so watermelon is one of the easiest and the sweetest and healthiest way you can hydrate yourself after, other than drinking water. Okay, yeah, because watermelon is very healthy for us. So you get your big watermelon and you cut into half like this. Okay, so get yourself a sharp knife and some elbow muscles. Trust me, you need to put some elbow muscles. Okay, and you slice this way. It's easy. Okay, you slice this way and you keep slicing same direction. Be very careful, hold it firm. Okay, so this way, no mess, little or no contact, on the watermelon flesh itself. And then you turn it the other way and then you're cutting the opposite direction that way. Yeah, like so. Keep cutting. Yes, you're doing it, and hold it firm. Okay, so some elbow muscles, then you hold it firm. So if you have a guest, this is the best way to do it, and everybody just picks it up from the outside and the inside is preserved. No contact, no hand touch. Okay, you see, easy peasy, very yummy. So after cutting it like this, you can put it on a flat plate and put inside your fridge. But if your watermelon is already chilled, go ahead, everybody just grabs it like this. Whatever they touch, that is what they will eat. You see, minimal touching on the watermelon fruit itself. That's it. I love this method. This is my favorite and less stressful. So you don't need to cut the watermelon to be boiled before slicing, because that method, then there'll be too much hand touching on the part that actually goes into the body. Now let's cut the second half. Okay, the same way. You slice. Make sure your knife is sharp. Hold it very firm. It can be tricky sometimes. Trust me, it's not very easy. So you have to hold it firm. Yeah, so now turn to the other side and then do the same thing. If you're enjoying this and if you have not subscribed, click this red subscribe button. Bell sign will show. Click on that bell sign, the bell sign, the option that shows all. That way you get all my notifications anytime I post a video. So will you be trying this method of cutting watermelon? See, I told you it can be tricky, but feel free to move things around, to a comfortable and safe position. Remember, your safety is more important. Safety first. Okay, and the last slice, and that's it. See, Tana, we did it. See, I told you it can be tricky, but feel free. You are a champion. And then everybody will just pick out, and that's it. See, very yummy. Everybody will just take a slice and eat. And again, nobody's touching the pink part. You see, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, make sure you drink water. Make sure you hydrate yourself. We're getting close to summertime. Anytime, please make sure you hydrate yourself. Drink water, take fruits. They are good for your health. Yes, good for everybody. And this is me now. Transfer it into a flat tray. You see what I mean? And it goes into the fridge because we're going to enjoy the other one. Bye-bye.